In this lesson, you'll learn the basic features of Spotlight. With Spotlight, your clients will be asked to leave a review after their appointment. Spotlight allows you to view and manage client feedback and analyze your ratings. To access Spotlight, first log into your Smart System console. The Spotlight tile will display your average overall rating and the number of ratings that need to be reviewed. Click on the Spotlight tile. At the top of the screen, each of your sites will be represented by a tile. The color of the tile acts as a general indicator of your ratings. Green represents high ratings, orange indicates satisfactory ratings, and red means there's room for improvement. The tiles also display a summary of the reviews for that site. When clients review your business, they score several key areas of their experience out of 10 stars. The most important question is whether the client would recommend your business to their family and friends. This is called the ultimate question. There are 3 different types of clients based on their answer to the ultimate question. Clients who rate you a 6 or lower are detractors. Clients who score you a 7 or 8 are passives, and clients who score you a 9 or 10 are your promoters. This data is represented in your Net Promoter graphs. The first graph shows your percentage of promoters, passives, and detractors for each month. The second graph shows your Net Promoter score by the month. Your Net Promoter score is calculated by deducting the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. The grey bars represent this year, the orange bars represent last year, and the yellow line represents the industry average. To the right of the graph, you can see your average Net Promoter score for the year. If your average is below 50, you'll see a thumbs down. If it's between 50 and 75, you'll see a sideways thumb, and if it's above 75, you'll get a thumbs up. You can click here to see a map view of your sites. Underneath the Net Promoter graphs are your Spotlight trends. The yellow line shows your actual ratings, and the red line indicates the general trend of each rating. On the right-hand side, you can choose the time frame you want to view for your Spotlight trends. If you have multiple sites, you'll also have a drop-down menu here, which you can use to switch between sites. To view your Spotlight settings, click on Settings on the right-hand side. Tick this box to activate Spotlight. Your contact frequency is how often clients are asked to review your business. You can choose to contact your clients for reviews by email only or by email and SMS. There are 3 different types of email notifications you can choose to receive: a daily notification about your reviews, a notification when a client has requested contact, and a notification each time you receive a rating from a detractor. Enter the email address that you want review notifications to be sent to. You can enter multiple email addresses by adding semicolons between them. Press Save when you're finished making changes. Then press back to return to the Spotlight main page. To see your reviews, you can either click on a tile or click Review on the right-hand side. You'll first be presented with reviews from the Requiring Action folder. As well as leaving ratings, clients also have the option to leave a comment and request contact from the business. Client ratings are converted into a 5-star rating system on your reviews page. The date at the top of each review is the date when the review was completed. If the client has provided their name, it will be displayed here. You can also see the visit date. Any comments left by the client will be displayed under the star ratings. Click the Approved button to move the review out of the Requiring Action folder. If you have My Local Salon, reviews will also be published at this time. Otherwise, reviews will be automatically published after 14 days. If you flag a review, it'll be moved into the Flagged folder so you can come back to it later. You can also post a review on Facebook by clicking the Share button. This will prompt you to log into Facebook and select the page you wish to post to. You can also publish a review to your website. For additional options, click the Details button. Here you can add a public comment, a private comment, notes, or remove a review. A public comment will send the client a notification of your response. If you have My Local Salon, public comments will be published below the review. Press Done to exit the window. Private responses are only sent to the client. You can only send 1 private message per review. The client will receive a notification which allows them to share their details. The Notes section is just for your own reference and can only be seen by you. You can also choose to remove a review, however, you can only remove 3 reviews every 6 months. You can use the buttons on the right-hand side to see more reviews. Here we can see reviews from clients who have requested contact from the business. Once you've responded to a client, you can click here to send an additional message asking the client to update their review. If you wish to remove another review after you've already reached the limit, you can go into the Removed section and reinstate a previously removed review. You'll then be able to remove a different one. You also have the option to export your reviews into a spreadsheet. Click Export Review to download the file. If you're a company manager, you'll be able to see reviews from all sites, or if you're a site manager, only reviews from the site you have access to will be displayed. If you'd like to view a contact summary, press Back. Then click View Contact Summary. This allows you to see whether your feedback requests are successfully reaching your clients. To view a contact summary, enter the desired date range. Then tick the boxes to indicate which type of contact requests you want to include. And press Go. Here we can see the contact status. If a request has failed to reach the client, then the reason will be displayed here. Now that you know how to use Spotlight, you can manage client relationships and keep track of your rating trends.